We hear a lot about IO-Link technology in the market today, and not a lot of people know a ton about it other than it works for smart sensors. It's some type of networking technology for smart sensors. In this particular seminar, what we want to do is show you the IO-Link technology, how it works, how it differs from the traditional bus systems that you see out there, and then the plethora of devices that you can connect to IO-Link. So, like again, we usually think of IO-Link as a sensor-based technology, but we can use motor starting equipment. We can do motor monitoring equipment. It could be for signaling devices, push buttons. It can be for all sorts of different devices. So we want to show you that, and then we also want to show you how easy this is to integrate into the TIA portal with regards to getting the device configurations into the portal, and then also very easy to create tag databases so that you can include that in your programming. People that should attend would be anybody that today uses distributed I/O, uses motor control, and just has a general interest in what is IO-Link and how does it differ from the technologies that you've used for communications buses in the past.